I'd appreciate it if you could. A polite way of asking someone to do something. I'd appreciate it if you could. She's wise beyond her years. The person is very smart or knowledgeable, even though they are young. She's wise beyond her years. I can't afford it. A person doesn't have enough money to buy or pay for something. I can't afford it. I'm exhausted. Someone is very, very tired and feels like they have used up all their energy. I'm exhausted. You've got it wrong. Someone has made a mistake or misunderstood something. You've got it wrong.